Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate PayKickstart and WhatConverts. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new sale is created in PayKickstart, it will automatically create a lead in WhatConverts. Now PayKickstart is an awesome subscription billing software and WhatConverts can be used to track your leads. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from PayKickstart to WhatConverts. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between PayKickstart and WhatConverts. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate PayKickstart and WhatConverts. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. But in case if you simply want the workflow of this automation, it is available in the description box. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button. So click on this create workflow. Okay, so a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as PayKickstart to WhatConverts. PayKickstart to WhatConverts. Then click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Okay, so when you click on the choose app, let's make it as PayKickstart because we want to send the data from PayKickstart. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as transaction sales? Okay, so transaction sales is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new transaction sales happen, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are more triggers like fulfillment on queue, fulfillment on hold, transaction pending, subscription payment, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new transaction sales happens in PayKickstart. Okay, so basically the gist of the process is we are trying to integrate PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a visit to PayKickstart and let's go to this part called as campaigns. And here I'm going to select a product. So I'm going to select this product called as t-shirt and I'm going to just click on edit. Okay, so these are the product details and I'm just going to scroll down and at the bottom you will find integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page. Scroll up and at the top you will find the option called as IPN URL. Here click on add. Okay, so here we have a blank called as the IPN URL. So we have to fill in this blank. So to fill in this blank, let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL or the IPN URL you want. You have simply copied this and then just paste it here. Okay, excellent. Now in the set events, how about we make it as transaction sales? Okay, so we have entered the IPN URL and also we have set the event as transaction sales. So basically this product has been integrated. Okay, there is something else. Actually you scroll up and actually you have to save it. So we have saved it. Okay, so now this product is integrated with Pabbly Connect. So this means that Pabbly Connect will capture the data if there is a transaction sales in this product. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So how about we go to PayKickstart and make a dummy transaction sales. So I'm going to campaigns and this is the product and I'm going to open the checkout link. So this is the checkout link, and I'm opening this in a new tab. Okay. So now we are going to make a transaction. I mean a dummy transaction. So we have a customer whose name is Emily. She's a dummy customer, and Emily Wild. Okay. And Emily227@gmail.com. Okay, so just click on next step, and Emily is from French Guiana. These are the details, and 9131323917. Click on next step, complete purchase. Okay, so a purchase has been made by this girl called as Emily Wild of 149 rupees. So since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Pay Kickstart, let's see has it captured this data or not. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so the data has been captured. So these are the details associated with this capture or the data, and as you can see, we have the billing address, we have the billing address too, we have the city, we have the country, we have the state, we have the zip code, and this is the email emily227@gmail.com. This is the first name, that is Emily, and this is the IP address, and this is the last name. Okay, excellent. So now we are ready to sync all of this data to create a lead in WhatConverts. So to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as WhatConverts? Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as get leads or create a lead? Okay, create a lead. So now there are many more action events just like create a lead. Okay, it's like update a lead, create a profile, get all profile, edit profile, and so on. So similarly, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event of your choice, you can ask us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a lead in WhatConverts. Okay, so just click on connect with WhatConverts. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have to fill in the two blanks, API token and the API secret. So to get the API token and the API secret, just go to WhatConverts. Okay, so this is the account information. Click this. And here you will find integrations, and in the under the integration section you will find the subsection called as the API keys. Click this. Okay, so this is the API token and this is the API secret. So basically you simply copy this, okay, and just paste it here. Okay, now similarly with the API secret, you just remove the privacy, copy this, and simply paste it here. Excellent. Okay, so we have filled in the API token and the API secret. Just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a lead in WhatConverts from the data that we have received from Pay Kickstart. Okay, so before we fill in the data, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with this. Okay, so let's start mapping the data. Okay, so we will start with the lead type. So in the lead type, it is showing as chat. How about we change it to transaction? Okay, now it is asking if we want to send a notification. No, we don't want to send a notification, so I'm making it as false. Now in the profile, it is showing it as sunshine. So what is a profile? So let us go to WhatConverts, and these are the profiles I have, account profiles I have. One of them is sunshine. Okay, so similarly, all the data that is present here, all the account data that is present here is being actually reflected here. Okay, so basically I want to create a lead in this profile called as sunshine. We can of course ignore the date and time. Quotable, let's keep it as yes. Okay, so now scroll down, and in the reference source, how about we make it just manually add Pay Kickstart. Okay, so because this data came from Pay Kickstart, and let's scroll down. Okay, so we have a caller number. Yes, we can actually go with the caller number, that is the phone number, and we can actually add the caller name, that is the buyer name. Okay, so this is the buyer name, and call duration, caller city is Bhopal, and the zip code is this one, and the state. Okay, I think okay. So caller country is French Guiana. Okay, so let's scroll down. Okay, so as you can see, we have entered some details, but some of the key details like email is missing. So to get a field that can add a email, so we just click on this plus button. So basically what it will do is it will add additional field. For example, in this field, just copy this up to here. Okay, then paste it. And here we are going to map in the email. Okay, so this is the email and we have mapped the email. Okay, so it can be an excellent way to recognize your leads. Okay, so we have basically entered most of the important data. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent. So how about we look into the leads of this Sunshine. Okay, let me log in once again. Okay, so this is the recently created one. Okay, so just have a look. Okay, so a lead of Emily 2227 has been created, and this came from PayKickstart. Excellent. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not. But before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me minimize this action window. Okay, and let me minimize this trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to WhatConverts. So now there is a perfect flow of data between PayKickstart and WhatConverts. Excellent. So how about we go to PayKickstart. Let me copy this checkout page once more. Okay, let me open this in a new tab. Okay, proceed with my order. And the name is Mary, and the last name is Gold. Okay, biscuit123@gmail.com. Okay, so this time Marigold, this dummy customer called Marigold is from Finland. And let's change to some different place. Okay, there. Okay, so let's select a province. Okay, 91313239. One more time, 9131323913. Okay, so we have entered some details. Just click on next step and let's complete the purchase. So let's have a look into the dashboard. Let's have a look into the leads. Let me refresh this. Okay, so yes, we have one additional lead. Let's explore this. Yes, this is the lead that we want, biscuit123@gmail.com. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a transaction sales happens in PayKickstart, it will be reflected as a lead in WhatConverts.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.